get loads of opportunities, like performing, playing music, and get your acting skills on.
I got great friends out there now.
Because the first time I saw these guys was incredible, and I love them. They are actually part of my family.
So I started with my bass guitar around 2015.
Learn, play the guitar, or anything like drums.
It doesn't really matter if people have got conditions. Because I've got is Down syndrome, learning disability. But that doesn't make me stop falling in love with drama and music. Sometimes I get nervous, so it was plenty of people. And then doing 2 gigs, it was brilliant.
Let's put my hands up. Come on, audience, come on. Hey, let's do that, Liz.
When I first come out, I had support staff, and now I haven't, so I come really independent.
Without a doubt, I'd definitely recommend Emerge to anybody who wants to come learn some music, or even if they know how to play music, if they want to join a band or learn a bit more, or even just make some friends and socialise, get out for a Friday, then yeah, I'd 100% recommend it.
You've definitely got like an interest in music, or just an interest in live or recording. We kind of have like a broad spectrum of things. It's definitely helped me with confidence in the way that I've gained a skill and I can say, no, I'm pretty good at this.
It feels like someone else, it's my family.
It's just like a family to me, really.